Bomba or Bamba blow-off valve. But let's install it right now because it seems pretty simple. So this is a stock blow-off valve. It has these 3 bolts right here, and it's up top. I've seen where it's been difficult for some people with their Hondas, but I think this will be pretty simple. So I'm going to go ahead and try to knock it out and see what it sounds like. Here we go. All right, got the blow valve on, so we're missing 1 bolt. We're still on there good. Can't really hear it right now. You didn't feel it leaking or nothing?
No, it might be good with them too. Until you can find the right side bolt.
Mm-hmm.
You probably can go to Honda Plus and get those.
Yeah. Get the extra bolt that we had dropped.
Yeah.
It sounds cool. Probably got a lot of wind noise. Just got to hear the noise. Alright, so we got an intake, it says 2016 Honda. But we can go for 2016 all the way up to 2020 probably. I don't know about the Type R's or the SIs though. So here's the intake. There's the clamps and coupling. Let me zoom this out. Red painted intake hose. The wheels are alright. Dad, you can do better than these wheels? You do better than these?
I can go well. I'm doing good well.
Oh yeah? Then we have all the heat shielding. It's actually metal. Which I didn't know because I never even put an intake on a car. We got the filter. Filter up. Now you gotta do these 2 10mm bolts. What's going on there? Get this box out. And this does come with instructions. That's pretty self-explanatory. You got common sense. Don't lose them bolts, man.
I'm putting them right there.
Alright. Oh yeah, did you get that mass? Oh, you did. The mass airflow sensor bolt?
Yeah.
Also, we got the, I think it's Boomba blow-off valve. We had to get an extra bolt, I got from Honda, but they actually don't sell those 2 black bolts that you need right there. So they gave me like alternative, and we got that on there. And it actually had a boost leak for a little bit. And you can tell it's down on power just a little bit, but it wasn't that bad. That's what we got to go, so we don't lose nothing.
Yeah. Put it back on.
Yeah. Where are we gonna keep it at? Keep the air box. Get the air box up. Got everything up.
What's next? This right here. Which way does it turn? Where's this? Why is this back?
Let's refer to the instructions.
They got it bolted right here or something.
It might.
I have to take this off.
Turn it back right there.
Yeah.
Take that bolt right there. Oh, my phone got hot.
Set this right there for a second. That right there. Put that right there. And we're gonna slide this booger in here. Right here. Like that. It ain't gonna bolt. It ain't gonna line up with nothing. So it'll be fine, really. It's not lining up with anything.
Should be alright.
Should be fine.
You put the brake back on there?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it back on there. Just get it out the way.
Alright, so we got the intake installed. Got the filter on there, the mass airflow sensor on there. There was a bushing that's supposed to go right here to this bracket, but for this, well, for my particular car, it's not gonna really work out or fit right because this is gonna be too far and this is too far over. Right there, that bolt. Got that clamped in, and we left there's two boxes. So you got the air box, which is the upper one, and then you have a bottom one. We just left the bottom one in there because it's not really necessary for us to take it out. So I'm about to start it up, see what it sounds like. You hear a little bit more, you hear the blow-off valve a little bit more. Now about to see if we can hear some turbo noise. Might not. About to see. Why you come this way? Yo, you can hear it. Oh my God, you can actually hear it. The kit is from AFdynamics. Pretty dope product and very easy to install. The only problem is we didn't use the heat shield, but the instructions, yeah, I mean they're good, but it's in black and white and not in color, so you can't tell what is going on because everything in the engine bay is black. So what the fuck? This is what it is. We got it done. It sounds great. Great, Honda.